7 Secrets of Happiness, Islamic Edition. From the Islamic perspective, happiness isn't something that can be reduced to a fleeting declaration of joy. Rather, it's a long-running state of eternal tranquility and peace of mind. Simply put, the contentment one feels in this world while anticipating the everlasting bliss of the hereafter is referred to as true happiness in Islam. Keeping this thought-provoking definition in mind, let's discuss the 7 key habits of our Muslim brothers and sisters who live a gratified and happy life. 1. Saying no to jealousy. Jealousy is the root of all evil. Not only does it destroy your character for the day of resurrection but also your eternal state of happiness in life. Our Prophet Muhammad said, "If any one of you looked at a person who was made superior to him in property and, in worldly rank and in good appearance, then he should also look at the one who is inferior to him, and to whom he has been made superior." 2. Trusting in Allah. Indeed, having complete faith in Allah and staying away from the disbelievers is the best way to keep yourself from giving into Satan's temptations that eventually lead to guilt and discomfort. And when you see them, the disbelievers, their forms please you, and if they speak, you listen to their speech. They are as if they were pieces of wood propped up, they think that every shout is against them. They are the enemy, so beware of them. May Allah destroy them. How are they deluded? 3. Sparing time for physical fitness. Carving some time from your calendar for physical fitness is just as important as it is for taking care of your mental health. Case in point, our Prophet Muhammad once said, "A strong believer, he who takes care of his physical and mental health, is better and more beloved in the sight of Allah than a weak believer. However, there is good in both types." 4. Focusing less on materialistic objects. It's true that happiness comes with inner peace and not from material goods and possessions. That's why Islam forbids extravagance and the chase of materialistic obsessions. Our Prophet Muhammad said, "Wealth is not in having many possessions, but rather, true wealth is feeling sufficiency in the soul." 5. Remembering Allah in bad and good times. Indeed, when you try to get closer to Allah, He draws even closer towards you, showering you with His love and blessings. Those who have believed and whose hearts are assured by the remembrance of Allah. Unquestionably, by the remembrance of Allah hearts are assured. 6. Staying grateful for everything. Gratitude, being thankful to Allah for what you have, helps you visualize your problems in a completely different light. It allows you to focus on the positive aspects of your situation so you can deliver your best in all scenarios. And remember when your Lord proclaimed, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor, but if you deny, indeed, my punishment is severe." 7. Praying humbly. Lastly, not only Allah, SWT, loves it when you turn to Him with humility, it is clearly stated in the Quran that successful indeed are the believers, who are humble in their prayers. May Allah give us the gratification of living a contented and happy life while following His principles and earning His blessings. Ameen.